So while looking for a message in documents, I happen to come across one of the features of a message which is web dashboard. So basically it allows you to check your usage and it kind of gives you overview of what you can do and also what are things that you have done and are logged. For example, let's say you are using a certain model, how much token you have burned and how much of one provider you are been using the amount of tokens, right? For example, let's say you are using two different models from open router, how much total tokens you have consumed for open router. That sort of data you can check from web dashboard. So I can show you how it goes. So first let me go with the WSL, and inside WSL I will try to show you the Hermes agent. So I will wait till it loads. Now here you can see, once you log into one of your WSL, simply type in Hermes and hit enter, right? You will find your Hermes agent usage, where you can see I have one specific model being used, right? And you can take a look at the tools, then scales, and when you exit by using Control Shift twice, you will find it says goodbye. In some of the contexts it also shows you the session and usage. Currently we didn't type anything, so no usage and everything done blank. Right now if I want to use Hermes and then dashboard, it should show you a web UI, right? And it will open in one specific port and we will be able to use that, right? So here you can see it is currently loading and I have to wait till it opens on specific port. You can see the port is 9119, right? So this is where we will be going. Currently you can see we are opening this, and though we are running WSL, which means Ubuntu is going on that terminal, we can still view the port 9119 on our Windows. Now like I said, we can take a look at the previous sessions which were used, right? So here you can see in previous session we used Nemotron 3 and also there were 2 sessions of it, right? Now if we can take a look at the model usage, you can see we are on open router and this is the free model that we are using, right? You can always change from here as well. Then you can see the model selection shows here. Logs you can also take a look at here for the particular session, right? Now the skills part, I have not explored much of skills, but if you want to, you can always go through that and see the email skills, which is Himalaya. You have to check. Then there should be memory one as well. There is MCP, MLOps, note taking. So this is Obsidian. You can always use it for taking your notes and then connecting, right? You can also find a plugin which is Kanban. Here can take a look at to do, schedule, ready, progress. Now this dashboard is official from the Now's research, that's why we able to access it with single command. There are also external third party that you can use. Each of them have different interface and different way to access features, then tools, skills, plugins and so on, right? For example, plugins, here you can search for and also take a look at. Right now here you can see, can give the URL of skill and then install from Git. So like this, small and simple usage scenarios are also there, right? Now some people find this font harder to read, then they want to have their own type of dashboard. In that case, I would say it's better to look for community maintained or something you can also create on your own. You don't have to rely on Hermes agent anymore. You can just give AI an option to create your own dashboard that looks lot better than what they have built, because some people may not like this color, they want to have control over what they see, right? So there are skins, themes, external plugins, and you can spin up your own as well. So this is basically the dashboard that you can use. Now you can simply close this window and exit out. Another option, also go into your WSL and simply use Control C twice and you're out. And then you can clear this and exit, so you are even out of your WSL session.